Hey, what's up guys? It's Donovan here. Today we're going to be reviewing the 2016 Honda Civic. This model is the 1.5 liter turbo. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, now entering, we have the keyless entry, which is super nice. And it automatically locks for you when you get a certain distance away, which I also really like. Now let's get to some of my favorite things about the Honda Civic. So, starting off, something that I love and that I use a lot is whenever you turn on your right blinker, or you can press that button right there, it turns on a camera on the right mirror, which is super nice. You know, you don't have to check your blind spot, obviously. I mean, you still should, but you don't have to. And it's super nice. Next thing that I really like is that they have the volume button knob here. It makes it a lot easier for when you're driving to adjust the volume when you're playing music. Another thing that I like is that they have the brake hold system, which is basically when you stop the car completely, it turns on the brake hold, and then as soon as you press the gas, the brakes turn off so that you can obviously go. It's really nice because you don't have to hold your foot on the brake when you're at a red light. And when you're in like stop and go traffic, it's super nice as well. Now, some of the things that I don't like about the Honda Civic. One thing that I don't like is these knobs. These knobs are for the AC, like to adjust if it's hotter or colder. But every passenger that's gotten into my car has thought that these were volume knobs, and they've been adjusting them, thinking that they're adjusting the volume when they're not. Because there is no physical volume knob that you can twist. They have this, which I never use, and I really don't like it. It's just like really inconvenient. It's not very like precise, and a volume knob is just a lot better. I really wish that they had that. I'm pretty sure they do have it on the new 2023 model, which I really like. We have heated seats here, and then as you can see, those lights, those were added, as well as this. This is all extra stuff that I added, including the carbon fiber on here and the carbon fiber on there. That was all extra that I added, but it's all super cheap. I think all these carbon fiber parts came out to around $30, and then these lights were like $20, I think. And then I added the Civic pedals as well, which I just think it adds a little touch to the car, you know. And that's all the modifications that I've done to this car. Anyways, that's besides the point. Now I'm going to take it for a little POV drive. I'm not going to talk. It's just going to be you guys, and you can experience the car and what it's like to drive. I'll go through all the different drive modes. We got drive, sport, and then if you press this button while you're in drive, it'll go into Econ mode for gas saving. And then low. I don't really use that. There's not a lot of mountains around here. I don't need to be putting the car in low. But hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for tuning in, and please subscribe if you like the video.